Hi, today I'm going to show you a really useful feature of Clipboard Genie, the webhook. If you haven't heard that word before, a webhook is basically a small connection between two apps. It lets one app instantly send data to another the moment something happens. No clicking, no waiting. To make it simple, I'll show you how it works with a quick example I built myself. Imagine this. You have a list of companies and you need to do some research, maybe check their offices or find the best route to visit them. Normally, you'd have to copy each address, go to Google Maps, paste it, and search, right? But with Clipboard Genie and a webhook, it's one shortcut. Just copy the address, press your shortcut, and boom, a Google Maps link instantly appears in your clipboard. No typing, no searching, just the map ready to open. Now let me show you how I built it, so you can create your own webhook too. First, you'll need to create a new workflow. To build this workflow, we'll use a service called n8n. Start by adding your first step, type webhook. This will be the entry point for Clipboard Genie. Every time you send something, this webhook will catch it. We will use the HTTP method, get. Set your path. For example, use Clipboard Genie Maps. For security, you can enable authentication, but you can skip this step if you prefer. For now, leave the respond section unchanged. We'll come back to it later. Now, an important step, copy this test URL exactly. You'll need it. Open the settings in Clipboard Genie, go to the Extensions tab, and enable the webhook. Then create a new activity. Name it however you like, then paste your test URL and configure the required functions as shown. Once that's done, go back to your workflow, click Listen for Test Event, and send the test data from Clipboard Genie. If the test was successful, you'll see a message like this. That means everything is working fine. All right, now let's continue building our workflow. We're going to add the next step. This time it's a short JavaScript function. This small piece of code takes the address we sent from Clipboard Genie, turns it into a Google Maps link, and sends it back. Once you've added the code, just click Execute Step to test it. Now we need to finish our workflow by adding the last step, Respond to Webhook. This is the part that actually sends the result back to Clipboard Genie. We'll simply pass the output from our JavaScript function, the Google Maps link, straight into the response. Once you've tested everything and it works, go back to the webhook node and make sure the respond option is set to respond to webhook. And finally, don't forget one last thing. Switch the URL from the test URL to the production URL. Copy it and paste it as the URL address inside Clipboard Genie. Save the settings by clicking OK, then save your workflow, and don't forget to activate it. Once it's active, your webhook is ready to work automatically whenever Clipboard Genie sends data. Now, when you send an address, you'll instantly get the Google Maps link right back in your clipboard. Let's try it. To make my workflow even smoother, I created a shortcut for this action, Control-Q. So now all I have to do is copy any address, press Control-Q, and I instantly get a ready Google Maps link. No searching, no clicking, just one shortcut and done. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.